welcome back to another video. So we're gonna do a volcano project. So last time we tried, we kind of failed, but they didn't tell us to use the right kind of baking thing. We used baking powder instead of baking soda. Okay, let's just do this. So how many teaspoons? 3? Oh gosh.
Watch out there, King Kong kid. Okay, don't scoop it down there. Just let the. Okay, we're just gonna do 1 more tablespoon. Okay, that's good. Okay, we're gonna put food coloring in.
Yes, 10 drops exactly. I think. Yeah. I can't see. Oh. What is it? Here, will you? Why is there red coming out of the bottom of it?
I spilled it down the side.
The red baking powder?
Okay, ready? Get ready to pour it in. King Kong kid.
Whoa.
Okay, go ahead and pour some in.
Slowly.
All
Wait,
of it?
I can't.
Not all of it.
No, not all of it. Just. Woohoo! Yeah, an eruption! Move your cup. All right. Look at that!
We did it!
We did
I
it!
want to do more. Can we do like 2 more tablespoons?
Okay, hold on. Are you gonna say about your ending here? Ready?
We're not ending it. We're doing 2 more. Come on. Please. Vinegar. Can I have some vinegar in there, please? And then
Eruption! Woohoo!
that was pretty cool.
All right. Good job, King Kong kid.
That was actually really cool.
All right. What do you got to say?
Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Smash that like button. I want 10 likes on this video. And see you guys next time. Signing out. Bye.
Bye.